Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off contacts for storage on your WeChat app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then you come here to next window here or this window, and you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, and you just click here on my information authorizations. You come here to this window here, and you just click here on system permissions, then you come here to next window here, and you just click here on storage, then you come here to storage window, and you just click here on contacts, then this window show for you like this, and you click here on this mark or this color, and like you see color it's gone, that's main contacts, it's turned off for storage. I wish you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.